Nga kichingiana no mwanchi murigeri andonse asuri gunyaka ngo kwarigani gocha semesete mungana magindi nyaka to gusangana kwimanyi enchira jobikanu ari abiriko bakakwika semesete ya Amazing Voice of Victory iri ni ngongoro kwa Hesbon Bosire nyaraka bako gwisaransa uike nyaka ngo kumanya enchira jobikanu ko yachaka kuru University ya Kisii mwasobo tukuri rero wetani abor kiwa chiribu inye wetani abor kiwa Chiribu inyeni ganya ko bakobekirwa chigutwa kwetera aso gukora amasomo university iyo morobiri iyo ni gonya ko wekenwa amono mu waziri w'ikisemi imense ya Kenya Julius Migos Ogamba munyakerogo university iyo Dr. Sarah Ruto abagomo vice chancellor university iyo Omoske Dr. Professor Nathan Ogechi amona barayibande abange banyako bawikana eskuru eyo nabwo university uni ganyako bagiye kolika goseni ganyako bagiye kolika omugano oye asobor kiwakuru ensemeri ya medicine osobor wali banyara ko baba ko graduate wa ko bekero chiguto entunde entangani gesa university yu enyara ko bakigo chako nabwo bali banyako bako bekero chiguto ni banyako bako boru wachinga kabanyara ko soka iskogiga bakore umukia buna enjera emo yoko umukia elietari skuru yo abego bane kibuna kunyara kwa bale bako etoma na bego twara umukia buna enjera emo yoko egenderia amagima abo abosio Nase omuroberi obuko babekera chigutwa aborokiwa ba 14 skuru ye University ya Kisii gesa echaka kubekera aborokiwa baye chigutwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to join all of you here today on this rare occasion of the 14th graduation ceremony of Kisii University.
Omosangirikano uyu ni gonyara kwa bakogwekeranwa amono mu waziri w'ikisemi imense ya Kenya Omoske Julius Migos Ogamba omunyakerugo bwe university iyo Dr. Sarah Ruto nabwo omo vice chancellor Professor Nathan Ogechi amona bageni bande abange.
The reason that we gather here is to commend and recognize the graduates for successfully completing their studies and earning their various qualifications.
Omugano bw'eskuru eyo aborokiwa 24 niko banyako bakubikirwa chigutwa kuru ensemo area ya medicine gesa eskuru eyo echakia kubikira aborokiwa baye chigutwa.
Graduated the very first cohort of the 24 students who've done medicine and surgery from this university. And the most critical thing is that they did that within the academic period of 6 years, which means this institution is being run in accordance to the mandate and the programs that have been.
Korengana amona omuwaziri w'ekisemi wizara y'ekisemi nigo yabekire emerobero yo kwenekya buna abarimu nabo go kiskuru nigo kiraje kunyara ko bakikonyora kibesa cyabo bwikiranu asobwango una enjera emo yo gukora emegomo asikirie arorokana kwa korkya uwichana kwae buna emegomo yo nigo yanyara ko bakigutinya amasomo university asikurende akiranande abarimu mbuyamono asogwanja kuigwana amone serikali nabo gukora omogomo uyu nyara ko bagoko genderera.
Even with the challenges that we've had with a number of strikes in the sector, still the individual universities can be able to run their programs to ensure that the students complete their studies within the time allocated, and that's what has been demonstrated here. So I just want to encourage each one of us that it is possible to achieve these goals once they are set. And you remember we had a 49-day strike that led to us negotiating a settlement of the payment of the 7.7 outstanding amount from the 2017-2021 CBA, and we agreed that that amount would be paid in 2 equal installments. That is 3.
Korengana amono munyakerugo Daktari Sara nigo aineke buna eskuru eyo nigo yarikia amubaro bw'abasubati ase enamba enene buna enchera emo yokorwari baga korengana amoniri chiko na boigo ase anyara kobaga kuboria aborokiwa abanyara koba kubikirwa chugutwa chinga kibakore chskuru basokire banyara koba gukora umukia na boigo banyara koba kwirenda buna enchera emo yokogenderia amagima abo ase amatuko arebosio.
And my first reflection is that the academic and educational grounding you have received is sufficient to enable you to start or continue the journey. It is sufficient, but it is not enough to sustain you. That will allow you to be creative. So train yourself to think, not just to listen and sit back. Train yourself to think. And I'm glad to report that 40% of the recruited staff this year were female. This is important because when you look at our staff, especially the faculty, I think the female staff account for only 20 or 30%. Therefore, having more coming is helping us to meet the constitutional mandate that we have.
It's also the result of the sacrifices, dedicated efforts and prayers of your parents and guidance.
Do all that pertains to these degrees.
Inkulpoteria MSA ya mangana maya koru ase skuru ya University ya Kisii. Eriane ni gonkuru kwa Hespon Bosire.